Hello everyone, Cole here. So last time I hacked Ava's account, but this time she's with me. Yeah. And my video got interrupted by Victoria. It's Foxy! Victoria is when I'm playing the character. Sorry. I'm sorry you broke the camera. I broke the camera? Wow, real mature. Yeah. Real mature. Yeah, you broke the camera. Great job. Great job. Do I look fine? Yes, you do. Yay! Yeah. But I wanted to show you what I bought. It's an elephant. I bought an elephant. You bought an elephant. Yeah. You realize that took all my savings. I'm supposed to have spent $105 on Saturday. What the hell is wrong with you? You don't need me to be so mean. You are being so immature. In the show, you're a model boy. But here, shut up. Shut up. Shut up. You know, I can end the video right now. No! No! Don't end the video. Don't. Please, please. You're acting like a toddler. Doesn't mean you should end the video. Tom, buzz off. Why did you just call me Tom? You called me Tom because of LPS population. Cole, stop being immature. You called me Tom. It's Cole. 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 Why is there a Superman sticker on your tablet? It's not my tablet. You stealer! I'm gonna tell your mommy, and your mommy's gonna tell your daddy, and your daddy's gonna tell your auntie. My auntie's in California. I'm telling! Come on, Peanuts, back. Come on, Peanut, back. In the shelf you go.